Hey guys, the holidays are officially upon us, so today in Kiwanna's kitchen, I'm going to share with you all on how I make my decorative Christmas floating candles. Guys, when I say these are so cute, they are just that. So, without further ado, let's go and make some floating candles. Alright guys, so here are my water beads slash ore beads that I did have soaking in water for about 8 hours, and this is the size that they expanded to. Now mind you, they will get larger the longer they soak, but that right there was a perfect size for me. So I then took one of my little ornament Christmas trees, wrapped some waterproof fairy lights around that, put some hot glue at the bottom, and then I stuck it at the bottom of one of my vases, and I then did the same with the little light switch, and I glued that on the outside of the vase so that way I can turn the little light, the little tree on from the outside whenever I want it. Okay, so how cute is that? So if you guys are wondering where I got all my decorations, I got everything. And yes, that actually did happen, okay? That actually did happen. I picked up all the Orbeez, but I did get them in there. So again, if you guys were wondering where I got all of my decorations from, I did get everything from Walmart and from Dollar Tree, and the total cost for everything was around $30, and that was with tax, okay? So after I got all of my Orbeez in there and my decorations, I went in with my water, and do you guys see that? How cool is that? These are so pretty to have around the house, around the holidays, especially Christmas. I got all of my decorations up, my tree up, everything. My house literally feels like the holidays. So I did go on with my floating candles, and I did get these from Dollar Tree. If you guys were wondering, they come in a pack of 2. I did light it, and here it is here, guys. Now this is one of the designs that I'm sharing with you that I made with my floating candles and my decor. Like I said, my vases and all that I did get from Walmart. The trees I got from Walmart. The little Santa, the little snowman I got from Walmart, and the floating candles and the water beads I got from Dollar Tree. So look at that, guys. You can turn the light on and off whenever you want. And here is another one of my decorations. And I'm just sharing with you guys also how it looks with the light on and with the light off, okay? So here's the other decoration with the Santa and the snowman inside the vase as well. And how cute is that? So I truly do hope you guys enjoyed my video of me showing you of how I make my Christmas floating candles. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up. Support my channel by subscribing. And until next time, you guys take care. Bye.